Welcome back. Here with us on Times Now. Viewers, Operation Sindoor has sent a clear message to terrorists and their patrons. India's new doctrine against terrorism is clear. One more attack and we will not just hunt down terrorists, we will punish them with brute force. In this special broadcast, watch Times Now's Tejashree reporting from an undisclosed location near the Indo-Pak border. Her reports capture the raw reality on the ground. Even as the ceasefire holds for now, Pakistan's intent cannot be trusted. High alert has been sounded across Jammu and Kashmir, and every time intel comes in, forces rush in, no chances are taken. Take a look at these reports.
The Hind Ki Sena is already 24/7 on ground, keeping a strict vigil on the enemy because our enemy can never ever be trusted. Currently, we are reporting from a massive search operation that's being carried out by the Special Operations Group of Jammu Police near the border area of India and Pakistan. Due to security reasons, we are definitely not going to disclose the location from where we are reporting, but we are reporting with utmost responsibility and all permission. Here you can see that how the Special Operation Group is carrying out a massive operation because they have got a tip-off about some suspicious movement in this entire area. Salute to our Jawans, salute to our forces who are making each and every effort day and night 24/7 to keep us safe and sound. With video journalist Ram, this is Tejashree for Times Now from the border of India and Pakistan.
One of the biggest takeaways from Operation Sindoor is the fact that in the era of new age warfare, technology is a lethal weapon. When terrorists hide in caves to avoid detection, technology is used. Surveillance drones zoom in, sniffer dogs lock in. Together, they create a web of no escape. The message is simple. You can run, but you can't hide from the wrath of India's brave forces. Here's a report that showcases how forces use drone technology to track terrorists hiding in difficult terrains.
Drones in this operation have played a massive and a very crucial role. Currently, as we reported, that we are in a search operation with the Special Operations Group, who is carrying out a search operation near the border of India and Pakistan. Surveillance is also being done by the drone because it becomes very important when it comes to deep forest and the caves, because terrorists use these forests and the cave as a natural shelter. In the visuals, you can see that how the drones are monitoring this entire area 24/7. The security forces, the SOG, is on ground, keeping an eye on the enemy with all armed weapons, and there up above is the drone who is also keeping an eye. So all 360 to get a 360-degree view, so as to where the enemy is, where the probability is that he could hide himself, where he could take a natural shelter, say it be a cave, say it be behind the tree, in the trunk, where he could hide. That's the way how drones will be helping. Also, in fact, we saw that how in the past week, the 6th Lashkar terrorists that were neutralized, they were also spotted in the drones. The drones, in fact, captured the image that where they were hiding. And there we'll also show you on the screen as well that how it looks like. Ramji, if you can please zoom in on the screen so as to get an idea that when the drone is up in the air, what kind of aerial view it gives. You can see that it's a forest area. We are not going to mention the location, but definitely it gives a 360-degree view, an upper view, to get a sense that how long is how wide is this area, how in depth this how deep this forest is, where the roots of the forest are, where the ways are, where is the possibility of that enemy could hide, and that's why these drones are keeping a surveillance 24/7. Sniffer dogs definitely play a very important role because they help in identifying, or in fact to give a lead about where the explosive could be, to get a lead that where the terrorist could be, to get a lead that where the suspicious movement could be. There is where the sniffer dogs come in. So as we were mentioning, that it's not just on ground, but our security forces are completely prepared, completely equipped with all the facilities to bring down the terrorists that are still active on the ground, because this is definitely a very sensitive area from where we are reporting from. This is one of the most sensitive area. We're reporting with utmost responsibility. But yes, one thing is very much sure, that our security forces are leaving no stone unturned at a time when they get information, when they get any input of suspicious movement. The entire area is cordoned off. The villagers give them information. The area is cordoned off. They start coordinate search operation over here. They monitor with the drones. They are completely equipped with the arms. They keep a strict eye on the enemy, because you can see in the visuals as well, Vijay Ram is showing you the visuals, that how dense the forest is. In fact, if we even try to go in, it is so difficult for us to climb such kind of terrain.
And with this, we will slip into another very short break. More news and updates on the other side. Don't go anywhere.